What is up, guys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Raj, back at it again. As you can see, I'm back in my garage now, finally back in California. The Texas 2K trip was awesome. It was a lot of fun, definitely an eye-opener, and got, the creative imagination going as to what I want to do with the Mustang. But today's video is not about that. As you can see, we're in the garage because actually we're on lockdown here in SoCal. So if you don't know, I'm from Southern California. Ever since I got back, things have been kind of wild. This COVID-19, this coronavirus has been going around. It's been pretty nasty, and it's definitely got a lot of people worried. So I've been choosing to kind of stay away from everybody and kind of just focus on, focus on the channel, focus on me and making sure that I'm healthy and I'm good, and kind of practicing some social distancing. So in the meantime, I'm hoping to crank out some videos for you guys and kind of show you a little bit more of the Texas trip that we had. It was a lot of fun. As you guys know, I didn't take my car out there, and I'll explain that in another video. But today I have some cool footage from our last night in Texas. I got invited out to a 1,000 horsepower plus meet. I got to kind of link up with another YouTuber called Danger Russ. So shout out to him for kind of taking me for a ride along, and in his Twin Turbo Mustang GT, which makes about like 1,500 horsepower. So that thing was stupid fast, probably the fastest car I've ever been in to date. I've never felt power that crazy on the street, so it's pretty insane. So I'm going to show you some footage of that, some footage of the meet, some of the cars that were there and stuff like that. Unfortunately, we couldn't get too much runs in. Our flight was early the next day and we couldn't stay for too long. But we tried to make the best of it, and overall it was a lot of fun getting to kind of see some of the fastest cars in Texas kind of show up. And 1320 was there. They were filming some videos and stuff like that. So I'll throw in footage of all of that and a little bit of edit of some of the cool cars that we saw there. So yeah, enjoy the footage. Make sure you guys are staying safe. I'm going to try my best to kind of keep you guys entertained through this kind of rough time, but we got to stick together, man. Got to make it work, and I appreciate you guys. We just hit 156,000 subscribers yesterday, so that's pretty awesome. The channel's still growing, and it's all thanks to you guys. So anyways, enjoy the footage. I will catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy Raj signing out. Peace. Alright guys, so this is the lineup for Mexico tonight. We got a lot of cars out here, man, and more are pulling up. Probably the craziest crowd that we have seen in terms of cars. There's quite a bit of stuff out here. More cars over there. guys, getting close to 2 a.m. in the morning now, and things are really starting to get packed. There's a ton of people here at 1320 Video. They're setting up stuff over there. There's betting going on. Cars are just pulling the parking lot up all over the place. Cars coming in on trailers, trucks, car groups.
The little 800 horsepower Camaro that good.
I'll race it. Race some chrome out ass car? I'll race it. What happened on the first? Hey, how fast is that ZL1? This is the second one. Really fast.
It's a hopefully 800.
Oh yeah, I make like 850, big good run. Damn. Oh, that was a good ass run.
Alright guys, we're with Danger Russ, heading out to Mexico. So it's really loud. It's all good. You want to just talk about the car real quick?
Yeah, sure. It's an LPF twin turbo kit. LPF does the tuning as well. They built the 10-speed trans that's in it. It makes probably tonight on probably about 1200 or so.
Okay, and you're running a 1100 horsepower GTR?
He said he makes about 1250.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, we're just gonna see what it does. He said if I spin, we'll rerun. So, we'll see how it goes.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna do a small burnout once we make this turn.
Sure.
Get the tires hot.
only get one run in. Unfortunately, conditions, and it's kind of, it looked like it was about to rain, but then it stopped. It's kind of weird, Texas weather.
I'm glad we got to get
Try it out.
Yeah, but sorry, it was just only one run.
That's all good.